Hello guys and welcome to the video. Let's say you have no idea about music production, no music theory, no music experience. This new feature built in FL Studio is a game changer. I'm going to show you how you can make a solid production without music theory. Let me show you how to do it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to set your BPM, alright, your metronome. So for this one, we're just going to set it to like 108. We're just going to load in some little percussion so that we can walk along with. That's not the main deal, alright? You can see it 108. Let's try to add kick. Yeah, something like that. Maybe just increase the velocity so that it can be a bit punchy. Yeah, so I'm just going to copy this one, but then let's increase the velocity. All right, it's much better, right? So what I'm going to do now is just to copy the snare and then add a rims to it and paste it on a rim, okay? Yeah, you see now, it's much better. Don't worry, this is not the main deal, okay? But then let's have this one going on so that it will be easy to create this progression. So what I'm basically doing now is just to reduce the velocity, alright? And so that we can have something like that. Now I want to build the progression without music theory. There's a feature in FL Studio called stamp. Alright, inside the stamp you can just pick any of the minor and the minor 7 or minor 9. But then I'm just gonna pick a random one. Okay, let's get into it. So I'm just going to go with -7th. You can go ahead and pick any one of your choice and then you have this dope chord. So what I'm going to do next is just to pick the last note and take it down, an octave down, okay? So just pick the last note and take it off octave down. Oh, easy. Now we build a solid progression without music theory. So what I'm going to do is just to randomize it. Yeah, just to make it better. All right, I just want to improve it. You can see that. Trust me, I don't do this. I just click it. I just generate it with FL Studio. And we have a solid sound right there. Just to play with it a little bit, nothing else. I can just cut this one. Yeah, I think we have a groove already. Just have a duplicate there. Yeah. I want to try and consolidate this one so that we can have I can delete the plugin. add a string to it, add a pad instead. Yeah, I love the sound. Just copy this one and then bam, just paste it on the pad so that we can have a full sound. You get the concept? Then I think I can delete the plugin now. Yeah, delete. Awesome. You get it right? Then just duplicate it there. Yeah, I will duplicate like that. You get the point? Yeah, awesome. I need to, yeah, let's duplicate this one as well. Random color. Yeah, highlight all of them. Random color as well. I love to colorize my job. Yeah, much better now. Let's just decrease it a bit. Yeah, I love it like this. You know, you can see that we already have a groove already. I think we need to add the bass to it to make it more solid. Use a sub-on bass this time around. Yep, I love this one. And then I love to use a joining in the bass and more. I love this preset. It's joining a bass and more. It's a very nice one. Then you can just the low notes, okay? Yeah, you can see it's very solid. I love it. Yeah. Basically I'm just picking the last notes, all right, the root note, and then we have it like that. You get the concept, right? Not too much, something like that. You get, yeah. Just trying to see which one works best. I think I love the slow notes. Yeah, I prefer that one. Yeah, it's much better. Just to add some little varieties to it, you get. But as you can see, I'm following the ghost notes, okay? You can see the ghost notes, I'm following it. Just to create something unique like that. You guys, right? Yeah. To make it interesting, let's introduce shaker, alright? Now we need to align this shaker so that it fits to the tempo. You get, make sure this one is checked, then you can adjust it. Now, take it down a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Just duplicate it. Let's try to split all this one so that we can arrange the kick, alright? You can just duplicate it like that so we can delete the one we have there. We can delete this one. You get it, right? Since it's the same thing. You see, it's very easy, alright? You can adjust it a little bit. Yeah. So I'm just trying to, just to arrange it a little bit to make it better, right? Yeah. I can duplicate this one. You get, right? You get. Boom, boom. Yeah, maybe like that. Boom, boom. No, let's do this one. Boom, boom. Yeah. Get it, boom, boom. Yeah. You get. Yeah, it's a vibe. Boom, boom. This is boom, boom. You get back. Let's try to increase the bass a little bit. Alright, so I'm adding this plugin just to make it more, to make the bass more robust, without, you can see the difference, right? So now let's try to sidechain the kick to the bass. So that they're not clashing. That's why I'm doing all this one, right? Just follow me, right? Yeah. So that this way they are not clashing each other, right? I'm just trying to mix it a little bit, not too much. Yeah, you can see that. You see the difference, right? You can see the piano now is out, right? You can see it, right? You can also get that plugin as well. See, so I'm just trying to arrange it a little bit so that we can have a vibe, So guys, after everything, what I did now is just to arrange it, and there you go. Let's take a listen.
You are listening to SamieRecords.